what's up, Bimbles with Brimbos? I hope everyone is doing good mentally, physically, and mechanically. Today, I'm doing super freaking awesome because we are going to be doing modification that has to do with the engine bay. We're going to be repainting it, and yeah, it's going to be a fun process. I've never done this before, so it'll be my first. So enjoy me struggle for a beautiful end result. Pretty much while my engine is out, I figured this would be a great time to paint it and clean it because this thing is dirty as hell. But yeah, clean it and then paint it, and oh, it's gonna be so pretty. Okay, let's Day 2. All the prep work is done and we are finally gonna paint. First is primer, which I will show you exactly what I got. So we have this primer, which my friend told me to use a high heat. It says like 2000 or something primer, and it's for like exhaust and like engines. So I think this will do, but we'll see which one works at the end. And then for the color, I got this. It's rose gold. And after, we have the clear coat. So let's see how this works. Oh my god, you guys, it's done! It looks so amazing. I'm in love with it. I don't even want to put the engine in there. I just want to keep it like this and look at it all the time. Yeah, this was a super fun project. The prep work was killer. You will go through so much tape. Where's this? This is all tape and foil and plastic wrap stuff. So the prep work is killer, but you guys, the end result, it's so pretty, I can't, okay. There is a spot that I'm gonna have to touch up right there behind the lines, but I feel like there's gonna be a bunch of spots once I actually put the engine in that are just gonna get all effed up and scratched, so we'll have to do touch up, but it's so pretty. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did like it, share it, tell your friends, tell your bimbos, tell your mom, dad, tell the coronavirus, man. What's up with that? Anyway, I hope you guys liked it. See you in the next video. Bye!